Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making something from the Korean cuisine. Let's see how to make kimchi. This is a Korean version of an Indian pickle. For this recipe you need some Nappa cabbage, or you can ask for Chinese cabbage, which is easily available. And you have to cut out the down stem and just give a small slit at the bottom, and through the slit slowly open it, and you'll get to see these beautiful petals of this cabbage. So here I am taking 2 cabbages. Now you have to wash this thoroughly in water. Now again give a small slit, and then you need lots of salt. So take salt and add it to each petals like this. Add more salt at the stem part. This salt will help the cabbage leaves to get really soft. Now place this in a bowl and keep it aside for 1 to 2 hours. Meanwhile, let's cut some vegetables. So here I am using some carrots. You need to cut these carrots into matchsticks. Now our carrots are ready. And as you can see in our cabbage bowl, there is a lot of water at the bottom. So make sure to flip the cabbages in between. Now let's cut some radish. These radish pieces in kimchi taste really great. After radish, we are cutting some spring onions. Now blend some garlic, ginger and onion for the kimchi paste. Now let's make some rice porridge. For that, boil some water, add some rice flour and boil it till it becomes thick. Add some sugar at the end and make a paste like this. Now our rice porridge is also ready. Now add it into a bowl and let it cool down completely. Now after 2 hours, our cabbage leaves are also ready. You can see how soft it became. Now again wash it really well with cold water. After washing, keep it aside to drain out all the water. Now let's make the kimchi paste. Add the rice porridge, add the ginger, garlic and onion paste, add red chili powder, soy sauce, and using your hands mix this really well. In the traditional kimchi recipe, they use gochugaru. It is a Korean chili peppers. If you want, you can use that in this recipe. But here I wanted to show you, even with the Indian red chili powder, we can make this kimchi. Now add all the veggies and mix it thoroughly. Now take each cabbage leaves, spread the kimchi paste on it, take some vegetables and roll the cabbage leaves with that. Now here I am using a glass bottle to store the kimchi. Now instead of doing like this, you can cut each cabbage leaves into pieces and mix it with the veggies. When you add it into the glass jar, press it down nicely so that there will be very less space for the air. I'm also storing it in a glass bowl. Now close this tightly, and you have to store it in room temperature for 2 days. After 2 days, when you press it down, you can see there is a lot of liquid coming out with bubbles. That means it's getting fermented. Now it's ready to consume. You can combine it with some white rice and it tastes really great. You have to store the rest of the kimchi in refrigerator. So hope you like this recipe. Leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Greypot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.